This masala omelette sandwich recipe is totally worth trying because it has taken me less than 10 minutes to prepare and it has turned out so good, perfectly made, crispy on the outside and the inside is just delicious. So this is a perfect way to serve up some breakfast or brunch, and the best part is having your first bite. It's going to be so yummy. For this recipe, you'll need a handful of ingredients and it's going to take around 15 to 20 minutes to prepare this delicious masala omelette sandwich. So on your chopping board, you're going to pick your bread. You can either use white bread or brown bread. And using a sharp knife, you're going to cut the bread just like this. Carefully, you're going to lift up the cutout parts and place aside. Pick your next toast and repeat until you're done. Once you're done, you're going to place your bread aside. And in a small bowl, you're going to be cracking in 4 eggs. And in your eggs, you're going to be adding in a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, paprika, onions, red and green capsicum, salt, and 2 tablespoons of milk. Using a fork, you're going to whisk in all the ingredients until fully combined. Then next, you're going to place a pan over medium-high flame and add in a tablespoon of cooking oil. The recipe is very simple. That's why it takes around 15 to 20 minutes to prepare, or even less if you're making bread for around 2 people. So it is a recipe to go for when you are in a rush to go to work or to school. Yes. Spread the cooking oil on your pan, and for this recipe, you'll need a non-stick pan. It will be very easy for you to flip your bread. So next, I'm going to pick a slice of bread. And because my pan is huge, I'm going to place in 2 pieces of bread. Whisk in my eggs once more to make sure everything is fully combined. And using a ladle, I'm going to scoop out my eggs and add the center of my bread. Once the pan is hot, you're going to reduce the flames from medium-high flame to medium-low, and then you're going to cook your sandwich for around a minute. Next, you're going to place in your bread, just like this. And cook your sandwich for another 1 minute so that the bread can toast and the eggs can cook as well. After 1 minute, I'm going to flip and just look how gorgeous my sandwich is looking. Then I'm going to press a little bit so that the eggs can cook on the inside and brown on the outside. So after flipping, you're going to cook for another 1 minute. Just let the sandwich slowly cook because you don't want raw eggs. After 1 minute, you're going to check on your bread, and wow, just look how gorgeous the bread looks. So I'm going to use my spatula and transfer to a plate where I'm going to be presenting my delicious masala omelette sandwich. The outside is super crispy. Then I'm going to be adding in my next round. Use a silicone brush and spread the oil on my pan. This is to make sure that the sandwich is not sticking. Then next I'm going to place my bread. Just like that. Add in my eggs. Place in the cut out bread just like this. Check on my bread. Flip. Gorgeous. Add in my last round. Scoop out my delicious, well-seasoned eggs. To present a sandwich, we're going to be cutting into triangles, just like this. And also it's going to reveal how the inside is looking. You can spot the red and green capsicum and onions, and just look how delicious the inside is looking. In a matter of 10 minutes, I've made 6 slices of bread, turned the bread into a delicious masala omelette sandwich, and it was totally worth it. So this is a very nice way that you can make some delicious breakfast or brunch in a matter of less than 20 minutes. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy and amazing breakfast recipe, which you're going to totally enjoy.